So in today's video, I have for you DIY Bible tabs, and I will post in the description box below where I printed this for free. Now, you would need, of course, your printer, and you would need some sticker paper. Okay, just like this. Hope you see it. Sticker paper. All right, and once you cut it along the line, then you're going to just stick them. And then to laminate them, you can laminate them with Scotch tape. Okay, let's get started.
For faith, family, home, and that fearless lifestyle in the Lord, I would love for you to consider subscribing. Okay, let's get started. Let's start by cutting each line first, and not the whole pack, please, because once you do that, then we're just going to have a hot mess, and all these name of the books are going to be all over the place. So I suggest that you work with one line at a time, and go ahead and peel that. You can go ahead and take an old Bible just as reference if you have one.
Okay, so I was thinking about putting them here in the beginning of the book, but I'm thinking about putting it here, okay? Because then that would be Genesis 1, okay? Instead of me starting on this page, I think it's best for me to start here. So when we go to Exodus, instead of me putting it here, which is the back of Genesis still, I would actually put it in, Exodus, I would put it in here. And then, let's see, Leviticus. Same. Okay, so it looks like all the chapters are basically starting here on the left side. Let's see, one more. Okay, yeah, it looks like they're all starting on the left side. Okay, let's confirm one more. Oh no. So this one, I would put it here. Okay, and that would still work. Okay, so you're going to not close them yet, but you are going to place them close to each other, but not so close, and just test it out and just put it in just like that. Okay, same thing with Leviticus. And we're just gonna place them there just to test them out to see how that goes. So this is how it's looking so far. They are nicely aligned right under each other, and they're going very nicely. All right, let's keep going.
Okay, so we're moving right along. As you can see, I am almost done with them. Right here, you can see that they are right underneath each other. And for my Bible, I have 7 going down. Depending on your Bible, you can have more or less. Now, this is the part that we are going to laminate our Bible tabs. You are going to take your Scotch tape and your scissor. You are going to make a little cut. Right here, you can tell that it was just a little bit too big, so you're just going to have to just measure yours and just place it right on top of your Bible tab, right at the edge. Um, you can have as much or as little as you would like. Then you're going to cut, and this can probably make about two. Just one strip of tape can probably make two Bible tab laminations. Right there, turn the page, turn your Bible, and then place your tape down. Depending how much you want of your edge, you may want to leave it or just cut it. So I decided to just cut it just a little bit, because as you can see on this clip here on the lamination part, you can see that I have a new colorful Bible tabs. I have already on this part have used my Bible for about 2 months, and I have noticed that I am making some notes on the edges. So if I would have probably taken some space with the tape, I would not be able to make some notes in the future. So here we go again. So we are going to make here, put it at the edge, turn your page right there, and then we are going to place it down. Yep. So there you go. That is all you basically are going to do to laminate your Bible tabs. I have found that this will keep it nice and sturdy, nice and straight. I have noticed that they will bend and they will frail up, and also with the usage during these 2 months, probably they would get dirty, or they have been getting dirty. So this would help with the keeping cleanliness in them. So there you go. Right there, I just made 3 just for you, just to see, and later on I would continue to finish my project. Later on, I would also laminate these all extra tabs of some studies that I have done, and I would laminate those as well. These are just Bible studies that I have done on my own, as the Lord impresses in my heart to do the studies. I'm super happy with this Bible. I was so blessed to have received these Bible tabs for free, and I am so astonished of what the Lord is doing in my life as I am growing in Him spiritually. So my hope and prayer is that you are also growing in the Lord, that you are spiritually growing, that you are maturing in Him, that you're seeing the light in through these pages, that you are letting Him guide you and direct you in your life. You know, this Bible, this thing that we can just buy anywhere just nowadays. A lot of people are not as fortunate to have this Bible in their hands, to see the truth, this light, this love letter that the Lord, our Father, has given to us. From the beginning, we can see His creation, that is you and I, that He just beautifully made. And we can see that the foundation in these pages, the truth in them, that we can see how to live our lives and where we're going after we are no longer here, that we have hope after. There's hope that there's going to be a new heaven and new earth, and that we are going to live eternally here on earth. These pages, these 66 books in this Bible, all direct us to something, all teach us something. Are you letting the Lord illuminate them in your heart. Thank you for watching. For more videos, remember to subscribe. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video.